Good morning students, Sai Ram. So today is drawing period. So in this drawing we learn previous in session object drawing and coloring shading. So like this, okay. So it is a cylinder, then pyramid, cube and sphere. So today we are going to learn nature drawing. So here in the on the screen it is a capsicum and tomato. You arrange like this in front of you. Okay, so let us start. Like this arrange. So draw without scale margin with the help of pad. Okay, like this. Rough drawing. So you draw a middle line here, like this middle line, and horizontal middle line also, without scale or with the scale you can draw. Leave 3 fingers distance from the corner, and here also 3 finger distance, and draw a sleeping line both side, and observe capsicum and tomato. Okay, so here circle for the tomato. Okay, then draw a oval shape here, oval shape, and on that oval shape you draw again one oval shape, total 3 oval shape here. Okay, and tomato, overlap the oval shape. Okay, stem capsicum. So here you draw, and middle overlapping lines you can rub like this. Now here the source of light from that side. Okay, and draw the pencil shading here. The light side you light pencil shading, and then downside color shading. Light side light pencil, and dark side you can show their part light and dark. Each and every part you show their light and dark part. Do it properly. So here right side light pencil and left side dark pencil. Dark means you press your pencil and do their dark shading. Okay, so here the capsicum texture is smooth. Do there with the finger, or take tissue paper and rub little with the, so it will smooth. Okay, and with the eraser I show their highlight. Okay, so here I am doing complete light up source. So light here and dark here, light and dark, light and dark. Okay, so here also light and dark. Okay, in both, tomato is a light and capsicum is a dark. So here I am doing uh, light shading for the tomato and dark shading for the capsicum. Okay, and opposite side you can show their shadow. Okay, shadow with the pencil and merge with the finger, like, okay, merge with the finger or tissue paper. Now coloring. For the capsicum you use olive green, but I have not olive green, so poster color you use. Okay, olive green color you use. So for the light shade I add there in the green color yellow, little lemon yellow, and for the dark I add there little red color for the dark shade. So it is a light uh, green plus yellow. Okay, and for the dark little red color in the green and mix it properly, so you will get a olive green. So apply the light tone first. Apply the light tone first. Same part, same light of source, right side, on my right side. Okay, apply properly, half part, each and every half part on the capsicum. Okay, right part only. Okay, then wash your brush and take dark color like this. Wash and just tip your uh, rub cloth. Do not rub properly. Okay, then apply a dark tone, olive green it is. Okay, and then merge both the edges like this. Merge edges and do the shading. In the nature you use only for the green, olive green. Okay, in nature drawing, in nature, any nature, trees, then vegetable, you use only olive green. Do not use poster green or other green. Okay, so here olive green, apply first half, then little that side. Okay, in the corner part, in the middle part. For the middle part you then shade it, merge it. For the shading you show there that object roundity. Okay, like this. Just little color, apply that light part. Okay, and I'm doing here uh, stem. Same procedure, dark and light. Light tone. And merge it. So here see the highlight. So now tomato. For the light part I use lemon yellow, and for the middle part orange color. First apply lemon yellow for the light shade, then orange. How will get orange, children? So you mix red plus yellow, you will get orange. Okay, like this shading you can do there. After that red color, and merge the edges. Do it properly. Just color should not go outside. So here the object shape will be different. Okay, so here like this shading you can do here. Okay, now the lemon yellow. Okay, and then little green and shade there, little green for the shading, and just little merge there. Okay, now for the shade shadow you can use another color. I use blue color for the shadow. In that object you feel near dark tone. Okay, like this dark tone, and then merge it, spread it properly how I am showing there. Do it properly. When you're doing tomato, you should change your otherwise your shade will be different, children. Remember it. Tomatoes coloring, when you start change your water, like this you can merge it. Okay, and spread it. Okay, then highlight there. See, it is highlight. Okay, so you take white color for highlight and just stroke. See, I am showing there. Just stroke. See, right, eraser, and here you just stroke there. Okay, here also, like this stroke. Broad white color, proper white color you can use. Okay. Nature object with pencil shading and color shading. Okay. So like this you can complete your nature object and shading, and you can put there in brinjal and other vegetables if you want, then it is okay. So enjoy, children, and do it at home and show it to me. Your school will open. Okay, bye.